video will go through the printer features. Start by selecting the Printer Classic icon and it'll bring you to the main screen. At the top, you can see your different paper trays and the sizes that are in the trays. To the right, by selecting Job Reset or the Stop button, it'll prompt you to stop your print job. Under Job List, this will show you the current print queue and to check the status of those print jobs. Select Print Jobs if you're wanting to release a locked print or a hold print job here at the machine. This feature would be set up directly from your print driver, allowing you to come in and select your job, hit print, and the job will print out right in front of you. Select Print from Memory Storage Device to insert a flash drive or camera SD card into the side panel of the machine to print directly a PDF, TIFF, or JPEG file.